Hello guys, welcome back to Forever Ads. In this video we are going to learn how we can recover or duplicate our deleted campaigns, ad set or ad. Okay, so to do that, what we need to do, we have to go to this search by name and we need to apply a filter. Go to delivery, select value to deleted, okay, and click on apply. Here you can find all the campaigns which got deleted from your ad account, so you can see the the results as well. Okay, so next, if your ad set is got deleted, what you need to do, you have to select the correct campaign. Okay, so like for this campaign, one of my ad set is not visible, so I have selected that particular campaign and now I'm clicking on ad set. Okay, so you can see only there are 2 ad set visible, but there were 3 ad set which were running. So again, what we need to do, we need to go to search option and apply the same filter. Make sure it is selected ad set delivery and select the deleted. Apply now. See, here you can find the ad set which got deleted. So again, if you want to start this ad set, what you need to do, you need to duplicate this one. Okay, so duplicate with original setup and always remember, select the existing campaign which was new traffic campaign in my case, but in your case it can be different. Okay, so and select on duplicate, so it will duplicate the settings which you were using earlier. Okay, for now I'm not doing that. Okay, now the same thing you can do in your ad level. Okay, if any of your ad is got removed or deleted or by mistake, so you can simply apply that filter again, delivery, select deleted and apply, and you can see the deleted ads. Okay, so this is how you can find your deleted campaign, ad set or ads, and the simple way to get them live is to duplicate them. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching.